today we're gonna be clear drawing Nate's full front end. We're gonna be teaching him, also known as me doing it while he watches. So start squeegeeing. You excited?
Yeah.
Very excited?
Of course I'm excited.
I wanted him to do stealth, but it's not too late.
He wanted me to do stealth because
I think it looks cool.
I pay him more to install.
Bro, you really think I give a about your money?
And he hasn't even told me how much this is gonna cost. So he might just hit me with $2,500.
Or your soul. All right, rule number 1, do not drop the film.
Yeah.
That's the biggest rule, don't drop
Bro,
the
I
film.
wrapped my whole car and I dropped it.
All right, bro, clear draw, there's water and it's slippery. All right, can you grab that? So hold on, don't pull. You got enough on your side?
Oh yeah.
Like 3 to 5 inches?
Yeah.
All right, give me a little bit, push your side a little bit down.
Like this?
Yeah, that's good. Where'd you go?
Me?
Yeah.
Throw this away.
All right, hurry up. I'm supposed to be teaching him and he just walks away. All right, so basically it's very similar to vinyl, except with water, so you gotta stretch out to the 4 corners. And when we do that, you don't want to tack on the hood, you want to tack on the like fender, the opposite panel. So over here, it doesn't really matter, just spray your tack.
For the first one, you're not gonna stretch.
No. Okay, now we go to the other side.
Now we go directly to the other side, not to the corner, like bed sheets. Okay.
So yeah, we didn't do that right. All right, take 2. All right, so you got to make sure that the film is like both sides are even.
So
like,
when you tack it and then you go to stretch the fingers out, it makes it.
all right, so you can do that. You got your squeegee?
No.
Where's your squeegee?
Right there, right there.
This is why you always hear us with our squeegees in our
listen
mouth.
to me.
No, okay,
listen
okay.
right now. Fred, who works here, says don't ever put the squeegees in my mouth and don't ever put them on the floor. That's what he said to me. So
I agree with
so I put
the
him on a
second
bench.
one. You got to keep your squeegee on you. All right, so you gotta make sure it's like there's some lubricant on it. So it
when I
glides.
squeegee?
Yeah.
But other than that, it's good. I just need to delay it.
Yeah.
Is it?
No,
How much do you
good.
tack though? Just that much?
Yeah, just the corner.
To where it's not. Okay.
With this stretch, do you see how we don't have any fingers on top?
Yeah.
You just want to stretch it just enough to where you don't have any fingers. You don't want to like overstretch it, but
Vinyl.
just a nice good stretch. Do you spray your tack?
Yeah.
You need a light. Okay.
More?
Yeah. So you don't you can like literally just
Well,
like
I'm
that.
too used to vinyl, bro. Triangle method, dog. And that's good? What
Yeah.
about?
No, you can tell the tack is good because I should be able to
Just lay it.
like hold it for 5
But
seconds
you
and
don't
it should
triangle
stick.
method that. You just take it from the corner.
You can, but
Is this enough then?
I'd
This
get a little bit
corner?
more. So
How would
Yeah.
I do that?
spray some tack.
Okay, and then just stretch it.
And what you can do, so yep. It's not the prettiest, but it'll work. So this one, I'm gonna grab it from both sides.
Okay.
And where I'm looking at the front of the hood to make sure there's no fingers here and there's no fingers there. So then where I want you to squeegee is right, down, yep. And then come over here to that top corner.
This one?
Yep, squeegee that. And then come over here in between my hands. Yeah, make it nice and flat. It's decent. So where my hands were, the tack is good.
Okay.
So it should stick right there and it'll stick like up there. So we're good right here. All right, you wanna give this one a stretch? This one's a little more important because you really can't have any fingers. So I flush here, flush there, and flush there. So grab both corners, grab a little wider. Yeah, so I'm gonna come in front of the camera. Yep, give it a nice, yep, that looks perfect. So I'm gonna make sure to get that. Make sure to get where your hands are. We wanna make sure the film isn't like caught up on any ridges or anything like that. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water. Make sure that's good. So I see right here, you see how that film like bunched up?
Stuck.
It's stuck on a ridge.
Okay. And you don't worry about putting your hands in there.
No, my hands
For
are
dirt.
clean.
Okay.
Go to the other side. We're gonna start from the middle, and you want to either start from the top and kind of halfway, and then start squeegeeing out. Make sure to overlap your lines and go over everything twice. One thing about white cars is it's hard to see if you left like water or a bubble. So the way you see white, like bubbles, you gotta like look at it in different angles. Yeah, and if you have to, put like some water. But some of those things, that'll go away. That'll go away in the sun.
You looking for like ones that you can see this in?
Yeah, so if you can see like what looks like air,
Soap.
air isn't gonna come out in the sun. All right, so we just sprayed tack. Yup. Nope. You see how that is? You gotta like, it's gotta go smooth. Look, like 1, 2 fingers. Look at that. And then, look, it's already stuck.
Boom.
There you go, now squeegee. So you wanna go kind of like down into the valley a little bit, so that way there's nothing on that ridge. And then you can like squeegee. You wanna make sure to get that alcohol out. All right, so now that we have all that down, we can trim it a little bit closer. We're gonna do 2 trims. We're gonna do like a semi-close one. And then an even closer one.
And then later a final one?
No, the second one's the final one.
Okay. They spray upside down, bro.
No, they don't, man.
Yes, they
barely
do.
sprays
It
right.
says it on there.
Would you look at that?
Bruh.
You learn something new every day. But it barely wants to squeegee sideways. Okay, why did it stop? I don't know how to do that left-handed.
Out.
At the very edge, sometimes it can leave like bubbles.
Yeah.
You want to make sure all that is out. Fingers, you want to kind of like, after you put tack, you kind of want to squeegee it and hold it for like just a second. And then,
That'll set.
yeah, and then we're gonna go into the valley. So on that side, I like to use my like middle finger as a guide. You know what I'm saying? Yep. And then just, yep, that's good. Make it as straight as possible. All right, so we just finished up the hood. We still got to tuck the edges, just waiting for it to dry. However, it's like 7:30. I'm tired. Left the shop yesterday super late. So we might come back around like 10:30, depending on how I feel and as if it might come through. We might knock out like the bumper and maybe the fenders. I'm tired. I want to go home, eat, and then chill, and then come back. I don't know if Asante's gonna come, because Asante's behind the camera. He wants to go home and play video games.
steak.
You better not edit this out.
Yeah, real.
I don't know if he's
real
coming
stuff.
back. He doesn't believe we're coming back, so we'll see.
If you come, I'll come.
Okay.
But I don't believe you're gonna come.
We'll see.
I
We'll see how I'm
already know
feeling.
y'all.
I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we're gonna tuck this and then I'm gonna go home. If we do come back, I'll probably be recording on the GoPro because Asante's a pooper. But all right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. As you can see, Nate came back from his road trip. There's a whole bunch of bug splat all over the front end of the vehicle. Luckily, the paint protection film did its job. There are no rock chips, and the PPF is ceramic coating, so all that bug guts is gonna come off really easily with a fresh wash. It is actually about to rain, so he's probably not gonna be cleaning the car today, just because obviously if you clean the car now, it's just gonna get dirty with the rain. But overall, we had a lot of fun doing this vehicle. I hope Nate learned a little bit about PPF. He probably wished he could have learned a little bit more, but we were in a little bit of a time crunch. He did have to leave Friday morning, I believe, to go on his road trip. So we were in a little bit of a time crunch, but we got it all complete. We got it done right. All the edges are pretty much tucked. The full front end is all covered and all protected, and that's pretty much it for this vehicle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.